Alright, this is a 52-inch Litex spotlight ceiling fan, and this is installed in the laundry room here. This fan is actually going to be taken down and replaced with a LED fluorescent, well, it's not a fluorescent light, but it's an LED, long LED light in here. Kind of looks like a fluorescent light, but anyway, it's getting replaced because it's never used, and the light doesn't offer that much light for this room, so that's why it's getting taken down. So yeah, start the demonstration of it now. Can't really see, well, you can kind of see it with the light off. Let's see. Don't look bad, I guess. I'll leave it like that. Here's low. I'll just leave the light on. This is a little bit blurry if I leave it off, so. Medium speed. And here's high. Yeah, has a pretty bad wobbling issue. Powerhouse on high though, for sure. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.